Hi, good morning everybody. It's Jean here from Truelove Quilts for You. As you know, I sell my quilts in my Etsy shop, Truelove Quilts for You, if you want to look it up. I have lots of homemade quilts and all sorts of little items. One item that I do have for sale in my shop are my little travel pillows that I make. I have a tutorial on my Patreon exclusive videos to make this little travel pillow, a little comfort pillow, and if you become a patron, you can see the videos, this tutorial and other tutorials. So it's not a tutorial today. I am announcing a winner. What I do is I do a tutorial. This month was my little travel pillow here where the seat belt goes. And then I actually send what I make, my project, to the person who wins it. And this winner of my little travel pillow is Rosemary Carpenter. Rosemary, you're a patron. I appreciate it. Picked your name out of a hat. And if you get in touch with me, my little cat travel pillow will be winging its way to you. So that's that. Next month I have made for my patrons, I have made, you've seen the tutorial for my little eco-friendly green reusable grocery bag. Somebody will be winning that. So if you want to see some exclusive videos, go to my Patreon, www.patreon.com/JeanTruelove123 to see other videos other than the ones that I'm doing on YouTube here. But what I am doing again is, because I was saying about my Etsy shop, I'm not selling a lot. Somebody says, well, why don't you just showcase a quilt or two on your YouTube channel? So that's what I'm doing today. I had made this little, it's little, that's the operative word, a little rag quilt. This is a flannel rag quilt that I have for sale. I'm going to be selling this for $50. It's a sweet little pre-washed, completely 100% cotton flannel, pre-washed rag quilt. I have made this very well. I have double stitched all of the rags. It has been washed before and now it has been washed after. I have put it in the washing machine. It's a sort of a gender neutral green and yellow for baby. Again, you don't put heavy bedding inside the crib nowadays, but for like tummy time, to wrap babies up while they're sitting on a lap, this quilt is a lovey watching television. So this quilt is for sale. It's $50, 100% cotton with cotton warm and natural batting inside, so it's substantial. It's a bit thick but ever so soft, and because the nature of the flannel, this quilt will get softer and softer and raggy and raggy. It is brand new, although it looks worn in and well loved. This is brand new. So if anybody you know needs a little shower gift, I'm touting, and I'm going to be selling my little, I'm just going to showcase now and again a quilt. And I thought I'll start out with a little one. $50. You can message me on YouTube. This is not in my Etsy shop. I'm just selling this right now. So if you're interested or know anybody, just pass it along. So that's that for today. My winner, Rosemary. If you want to get in touch with me, I will have gotten in touch with you through Patreon also. And if anybody's interested in a sweet little, soft as anything, lovely little present, little shower present, let me know. So again, thank you so much, everybody. I'm working my way to 21,000, and somebody will be winning my large quilt that I am giving away. It's been wonderful. I've been typing up furiously the names. Oh my word, there has to be an easier way to do this. I'm sure there is. I don't know if Jen, she's extremely busy right now. Doing something as far as our ministry goes. Wonderful, privilege, awesome, but she's out of commission for a while as far as filming. We will be going to the Oaks, Pennsylvania Extravaganza Quilt Show in Oaks, Pennsylvania at the Expo Center. We will be there Friday, September 13th, Jen and I. So if you want to come see us, short fat Jean, tall thin Jen, we will be there. Hopefully it'll be cooler. It's beyond hot. You must excuse my appearance. I was out and it is tremendously hot, about almost 100 degrees here in Pennsylvania, with humidity like no one's business. We have a swimming pool and it's almost too hot to swim. Seriously, everybody's just inside. But anyway, I just thought I'd check in and say hello to everybody. Jen says hello and sends her regards. And again, this little quilt's for sale, and this little quilt has been won. I mean, this little pillow has been won. So anyway, thanks again for all your support, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.